in the worst ways, oh baby. The shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? I'm shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause
Hey guys, for today's video is another Korea vlog. So samahan nyo kami guys maggala kung saan nag-shoot or nag-film yung Queen of Tears. Kung napanood nyo guys, sa Queen of Tears is yung sa office nila or sa company nila is may garden sa rooftop, and niluloko ni Hae-in si Baek Kyun-woo na may nagpapakita nga daw doon sa garden nila sa rooftop. So, samahan nyo kami guys na pumunta sa garden ng Airwall Arboretum. Dito lang din yun guys sa Sowon, malapit sa bagong Starfield dito sa Sowon. So, 12 minutes away lang guys. Pwede nyo naman siyang lakarin or mag-take kayo ng bus kung galing kayo ng Starfield Sowon. So, malapit lang yun guys. So, let's go! Puntahan na natin yung garden kung saan nag-shoot yung Queen of Tears! See you there! So, nakapila kami guys. Bibili kami ng ticket. Pupunta kami doon mamaya guys. Sa malaking teddy bear. Magpipicture ako doon. Wow, ang laki niyan guys. Nasa taas kami. Second floor. Wow, may malaking bird guys, oh.
Korea says the first one,
Wow.
okay?
What?
Visitor come here, yeah. Good visitor.
Good visitor. So we are good visitor,
Lucky
yeah.
visitor, lucky visitor.
So we are lucky visitor, yeah. So doon guys nag-shoot yung Queen of Tears nga, yung garden nila sa company, and then may tinatawag yung guy, 'di ba? Na niloloko siya ng asawa niya. So doon sila nag-shoot. Yeah. So ito yung place niya guys, sa labas. And let's go, pasok tayo guys sa garden. Wow, sobrang ganda nito guys. Sobrang ganda dito guys, oh.
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow.
Pasaway, ah.
Are you ready?
So pasok tayo guys
Drama, we make drama. Waiting you.
Waiting.
Are you okay? Smile low.
K-drama ka dyan.
The way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show. I get lost in those hazy eyes. I'm in love with these lazy nights. So maybe we can stay back, lay back here and enjoy the ride. I don't wanna feel the night. I just wanna chill under the northern lights with you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Sadie, you save me, keep me from floating away. Blue dream, baby, you leave me with nothing to say but Sadie, Sadie.
아프리카 카판소스.
아프리카 간서.
Ganda guys. Purple. So dito banda guys nag-shoot yung Queen of Tears. Diyan banda guys sa gitna. So pipicturean ko yung asawa ko. Kunyari siya si ko. So guys, nag-shoot yung Queen of Tears. So dito guys naglakad si dito siya naglakad, and this is yung niya, background guys. Yeah. Why famous siya? World
Just make food. masarap.
What food?
이거 스멜.
Eh?
스멜. 아 스멜 있어?
No small. No small, no smell.
없어요?
없어요.
왜요?
몰라.
I'm thinking 쿠킹이야 쿠킹. 오, 이야. 야, 이거 트리. 우와. 트리. 이야, 여보. 우와, 부겐빌레가.
What's this?
이야.
Wow.
피처?
Ah. The big come here.
남 아메리카.
Ah, Philippine 있어?
있어요? 야, 돈 또 쳐.
Philippine 있어 yung mana.
퀸즈. 에미 하우스나 퀸즈. 이거 퀸.
Wishing mill야.
오, 코인 있어.
Coin 있어? Coin 있어? Coin 주세요.
알라까야.
So guys, may mga coins siya guys. Oh, so wishing wheel siya. Wishing well. Yeah. Poo. So yan, nasa labas kami ng garden. And kakatapos lang namin mag-picture doon sa loob ng garden. And yeah, sobrang madaming tao din guys. Pero okay lang kasi hindi naman siya sobrang punuan kaysa naman sa ibang place guys, as in punuan talaga. Dito hindi masyado matao. Tama lang yung tao niya guys. Yeah, today is Sunday guys. So date time kami ng asawa ko. So sobrang laki niyan guys, oh, sa loob. And sobrang init ngayon. Yibo, let's go there, oh. Teddy bear. 사람 없어. 빨리 가자. Kala mo naman napaka-gwapo-gwapo niya. Guys, may music dyan guys, oh. Kala mo lang bato yan na, pero speaker yan guys.
페이크야.
Fake stone niya. Wow, ang ganda, oh.
이거 팽 나온다.
Hengnamu.
'Cause I really hate you. 'Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you.
Welcome to my world. Welcome to my garden.
Can I introduce your garden?
This is my garden.
And then where's the house?
Pyonwoo Garden. Ay mo yun.
오, 에이미 하우스다.
This is my house guys.
슬립. 빨리. 오,
Welcome to my house.
왈라 포네차야? 포네차 왈라나?
So, nagrereklamo na po dito guys, oh. Lagi yan kapag lumalabas kami guys, panagreklamo. Masakit na daw yung paa niya. Reklamador to eh. Apa?
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. 'Cause you're like
우와.
Simesa?
도구야 도.
Dog, are you dog?
I really hate you. 'Cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But
Ito din guys, ito
I
yung
really
ano niya.
need you.
Ang ganda
And
guys.
I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off.
So why?
여보, you see 1월 수목원, diba? What feeling na?
Very happy because it's very famous K-drama. Queen of Tears and Baekhyunwoo. Siya shooting here
Korea
in the
also.
garden.
Korea also very famous movie야.
Queen of Tears. Oh, huh? Maybe you
one
cut
picture
ya.
부나 waiting na siya hindi siya minimum complain.
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow.
So, nagkamali kami guys ng pag-order ko. Vietnamese pala to guys. Hindi siya yung Thailand food. Bokumbap. Beef bokumbap. Masarap.
Masarap.
Try it. Puti. Ayos ah. Spicy. So guys, gusto ko talagang orderin is yung pad thai na Thailand pad thai. Pero na-order namin is Vietnamese. Hindi namin kasi agad nakita yung Thailand pad thai dyan. Katabi lang pala. So, yung lasa niya guys is spicy. Spicy. So, Vietnamese pad thai to guys. Hindi ko alam kung pad thai ba yung pangalan nito. Pero spicy siya guys, spicy. So, yung Vietnamese food pala, spicy guys. Pati yung order ng asawa ko, spicy. Ang niya guys. Ito pala guys yung ano namin view. Nasa ano pala kami guys, Sowon Starfield sa 7th floor food court. So ang daming tao ngayon guys kasi sa Sunday siya. Yummy. This one I like pad thai.
I see picture this one.
Ito guys yung gusto ko, pad thai. Thailand talaga siya. Diba? Thailand pad thai is hindi siya maanghang. Medyo matamis konti. May tamis na konti siya guys.
Taste down.
Sobrang malasa. Very tasty ah. A little bit sweet. And the peanut.
Ayos na.
맛있어요. Guys, nasa taas kami ng Starfield. Kakatapos lang namin kumain and umakyat kami dito sa pinaka rooftop ng Starfield guys.
I love the way you take it slow. You make this light inside me glow. You're the only one who knows me. Saturate me when I'm gray until all my colors show.